how to maximize your home's value before selling in 2025. Hey there, homeowner, it's KG, your trusted realtor here, and today I am tackling a big question. How can you get top dollar for your home in 2025? If you're thinking about selling, you probably wondered, what can I do to make my home stand out? Well, you are in the right place today. I will be sharing proven tips to maximize your home's value, boost buyers' appeal, and get you closer to that dream offer, which is to sell it for the maximum amount of price. I'll also sprinkle in some real life success stories from my past clients. So, you want to grab your coffee, take some notes, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's dive in. Number one is want to boost your curb appeal. You know the saying, first impressions matter. Well, with buyers, big time. Buyers decide within seconds whether they are interested in your home, and curb appeal is the key. I have seen buyers that say, I'm not going in. So what can you do? Here's what you can do. You want to start with your landscape. Trim your bushes, paint your exterior, plant colorful flowers, and freshen up your mulch of the outside. You also want to probably power wash your driveways and walkway, and even the exterior of your home. You don't want to have your home showing mold in the siding. Also want to add a pub with a colorful, fresh new door for your house, new house number. So one of my clients, the Thompsons, had an older home with tired looking yard. I advised them we spruce up with some budget friendly landscaping, replace their old mailbox. You'll be surprised, small things like that. Voila, the transformation was incredible. It not only attracted more showings, but also increased their sales price by nearly $10,000. Curb appeal matters a lot. Number two, you want to focus on high impact updates. If you're going to update, you want to focus on high impact area. So there, where to spend your time and money. Not all updates are created equal. So focusing on high impact ones that buyers love. In the kitchen, you want to swap old hardware for modern handles, upgrade your faucet, and if your budget allows it, consider updating your countertops or adding a fresh coat of paint to your cabinet. In the bathroom, that's the kitchen, in the bathroom, you want to regrout your tiles, replace outdated light fixtures, and add fresh towels and accessories for impacts. Buyers want to see spa-like impact. Throughout the home, if your budget allows it, have a fresh coat of neutral paint. Does wonders. Painting does wonders. And this is what you want to do. Think about soft gray and off-white colors. These colors allow buyers to envision themselves in the space. I worked with a seller this year who invested just $2,000 in minor kitchen and bathroom updates. Just $2,000. That small investment led to multiple offers and a final sale of $15,000 above asking price. Small changes, big results. That's what we're talking about when we're talking about these changes. Small changes, but bring big results. Number three, declutter and stage for success. Now, so this is the step where you really let your home shine. The cluttering and staging are essential for your showcasing your home's best features. Start by removing personal items like family photos and collectibles. Yeah, you may like the Ravens, go Ravens, or the Commanders. I just want to say the other one. You may like it, the person's coming may be a stealer's fan, so remove those things. Buyers need to see themselves in the space, not your collectible or your vacation pictures. Next, rearrange furniture to make rooms look larger and flow better. If your room feels cramped, you want to remove extra pieces of furniture. Lastly, you want to consider hiring a professional stager. They know how to create that wow factor that helps buyers fall in love. One couple I work with had a gorgeous home, but it was packed with furnitures and decor. I mean, these are their personal furnitures and decor, but this is not for the buyers. But once it is staged, we remove some things, some bulky furniture, throw in a few trendy throw pillows and rearrange some furniture. Some we put in storage. The house look amazing. That this house just straight out of the magazine. They saw the house went under contract within a week for full price. Number 4, don't overlook maintenance. Do not overlook maintenance. When you talk about fixing those little things that you've been putting off, you want to do that before you put the house on the market. Buyers notice these things. If you notice them, buyers notice them. Like replacing your burnt out light bulbs, fix those leaky faucets or squawky doors. The door is making noise when it's open. You want to fix it. If your HVAC or roof needs servicing, you want to handle it before you put the house on the market. This gives buyers peace of mind. I had a seller once who decided to fix a small roof issue after buyer's inspection. Flagged it. Now, we told him to fix it before that. This action delayed the sales by over 2 weeks and cost him more than it should have cost them if they have addressed it upfront. Lesson learned. Tackle things early, because buyers come in, they see these things and they think it's going to cost thousands of dollars. All right, so let's recap to maximize your home's value before selling in 2025. You want to boost your curb appeal to wow buyers from the start. You want to focus on high impact updates like kitchen, bathroom, fresh paint. You want to declutter and stage to make your home look irresistible. Handle those things. The number 4 is handle those maintenance tasks before buyers even step inside your house. That means you want to tackle them before putting the house for sale. A little effort goes a long way when it comes to standing out in a competitive market. And hey, don't forget to contact me if you need any advice. Remember, you are not alone in this. This is what I'm here for. So, if you're ready to take that step towards selling your home in 2025, I would love to help you. Contact me for a free consultation. We'll discuss your goal, create a personalized plan, and make sure your home is market ready to get the best possible price. This is very important. You can reach me by phone. My contact information is out there, or whatever means. Drop me a comment. I will respond back to you. So let's turn your home into a buyer's dream. Thank you for watching. So if you're looking to buy, sell, don't forget to subscribe. Share the video with friends and family that may be looking to sell their house. I appreciate you. Until next time, happy home selling. See you in the next video. Ciao.